welcome back to my channel. My name is E-Ray, and today we're playing in the rain. Let's go! So here is my sister. She's playing. Let's see what she'd say. Anna, how are you? No response. That's sad. So now we're just gonna take a nice little walk. If you see this large puddle, oh, you don't believe me? If you see this large puddle, don't walk through it. You don't believe me? Let me show you. Okay. It's water. See? So don't walk through it. And my sister's on the grass again. Let's see how far we can go. All around the place. I see her. You see her? I don't. Enemy spotted. Get her! Oh no, it's lightning! What's happening in the sky? Bro. Hi, Anna. Anna? Oh no, it's happening again. Please, no sky, flies, please, no! Oh, that was just fake. By me. Anna, don't stand by the post. And there she goes. She is off. Let's see where she's headed. Yeah? Yes? Okay. And my own as well, right? Okay. No, yes, come on. Come on. Oh no, it's happened. My phone's going off and on. Something's wrong. Anna, please get over here. We gotta get back to Mom. Oh, well, I'm sorry, Miss Flappy, but we have to go back to Mom. I'm fast like speed, no one fast as me. I'm fast like speed, no one fast like me. You feel speed, fast like speed. See me, I'm fast like speed. Anna, drop that! Drop that, oh. I know it's for Earth Day, Mother. I know it's for your mom, Anna. Your mother. But Anna, please drop that. It is in... Yes? Okay. Anna! Anna! Anna, that was not nice. Okay, we have to go home. So guys, right now we are leaving to go home. Well, we'll see you till later. Bye!